Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing my Rain Force Cafe cups. I have every character that came out since 2009.
Yeah, and I only got one because my brother got a lot.
Yeah, so let's review them. So this one's by far my least favorite because of how big its trunk is. And I have two of these. See?
This is my favorite.
No. And then we have this one. Cheetah Fast.
We got this one.
And my favorite, the gorilla. And then this one, the frog.
And this one's my favorite because it got a toy in it.
This one is this one still has its toy.
Yeah, because Gwen always loses them. I don't. He doesn't know how to open.
Yeah, I'm trying to open it and review the toy with you.
Yeah, my brother said no.
This is really mine, Ira.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
And
Here it is. Here's the toy.
here's my toy.
No, this is yours. It's your cup.
Yeah.
So here's the toy.
And my brother doesn't really like his toys he doesn't play with.
Yeah, this is, I don't know its name, but
I think its name is...
it is it is a bird. So, well, I hope you liked this video. Bye. So bye.
Bye.